Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Black Sun Shield in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This is inside the city of Demonis, just on the other side of the Abyss Nexus right here. You need to be careful as the guards around here are hostile and will attack you if you are seen. Try to get in by jumping on a high spot somewhere and landing on this spot where I'm standing. Now crouch walk towards the bridge from this side and you'll see a hidden door. Climb onto this wall, hold resist on your keyboard, then do a force palm. The wall should rotate, forcing you inside where the shield is located. This shield comes with 7 defense, 13 guard rate, guard stamina cost reduction, and already on its 4th level of refinement. It also has a level 2 movement speed, which is extremely helpful for traversal. You can always remove the socketed abyss gears and replace them with new ones if you like the black and gold details of this shield. And that is how to get the Black Sun Shield in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.